Hello everyone, this is Anderson and I will show you how to make your Mahara page for the Global Citizenship course. So first of all, we will have to log in into the portfolio system and then go to Mahara. Okay, so here is one thing that you have to remember. The Global Citizenship course has different modules and you will have to create different journals for the different modules. So to create journal, we go to Content, Journals, and then here we will create different journals for the different modules. So for example, if you want to create an ICT module for the ICT classes, then create a new journal. Here we can enter ICT module. Looks like a nice name. You can choose whatever title you want. Okay, if you just want to write ICT, it is okay. If you want to write ICT module, it is okay. So you choose. So the only thing we need to create a journal is really just the title. Just go down here, create a journal, and here it is, ICT module. So I will just go on and create different journals for the other modules. So let's suppose that we have a sociology module. So then just create another module here. Okay. Whatever modules you are taking, please make sure that you create a module for each one of one journal for each one of the modules. So I will just create here a generic one, module 1. Please make sure to create a meaningful title. And so I have ICT module, I have the module 1, and I will need one more, because you are all going to have 3 modules in the course. And then here it is. So I have module 1, I have module 2, and I have the ICT module. Okay, so after I create the 3 journals for the 3 modules, then now it's time to create the page for the course. For that we go to Portfolio and then we create a page. Okay, so here is one thing that you need to remember. The name of the page is Global Citizenship. Okay, the page title must be Global Citizenship. The titles for the blocks in your page you can choose, but for the page title, please use Global Citizenship. Again, when you're creating the page, the only thing that you really need to type in is the title. Just go down and save it. Great. So now that we have the page, we need to edit the layout before we start adding content. Go to Edit Layout, and if you check the handout that was given to you during class, you will see that we have a long block at the top, a long block at the bottom, and then 3 spaces in the middle, 1 for each module. Okay, so just choose the layout here, save, and you're good to go. Okay, so now the page is created and we need to start adding content to it. The first thing you need to add to your page is a text block. Okay, so just you can drag and drop it to the area, or let me delete it, or you can just click it and then Mahara will ask you where you want to put that block. Okay, so we want it to be at the top, so I will just add it here. And now I will start adding some add the text for this block. So as I said before, the title of the blocks you can choose. Okay, I like this title because I don't know, I just like it. So this is my title. And here the content of this first block should be one paragraph about what is global citizenship and what does it mean to be a global citizen. Okay, so write a paragraph to answer those two questions. What is global citizenship and what does it mean to be a global citizen? I'm not going to write anything right now. Okay, please be creative. Save, and then ta-da! There it is, our first block. Okay, then we go to the modules. We have just created journals for each of the modules. So let's go to the journals, and then here I want to add a journal to each one of these areas. So let me start with the first one here, and I will just choose my ICT module. Okay, so you don't need to change the entries per page. You will have 4 lessons in each module, so 5 is just fine. Just save, and then it shows the ICT module. Let's add another journal. I want to add another journal at the end of the line. Add, and then I will just add module 2. Remember, those are just examples. Okay, so select the journal you want to show and just save it. That's it. There it is, module 2. Now I will add the third one. Add module 1 and go down. Save. Okay, so now we have the first block, an explanation about what global citizenship is, the second line of our page with the 4 journal entries in each of the modules, and finally at the end of the course, after all the teachers have rotated and you finally back with your original instructor, you have to write a final paragraph explaining one issue that you have studied and saying something about how to take action to avoid it or minimize it. And that can also be a text block. So in this text block, let me see, taking action, maybe. I don't know why I also like this title. So here it is, taking action. And that's it. My page is ready. My page is ready. So let me display the page and show you how it looks like. Okay, so here it is, the title, Global Citizenship, the first text block with the explanation about what global citizenship is, each of the modules, and a final text block with the global issue that you have chosen and your explanation about how you can help minimizing or avoiding it. Well, it looks a little bit empty right now, but this is because I have just created it. So remember, every time, every week, when you finish a lesson, you should come here and you should add a new entry to whichever module you have attended. Okay, so let's suppose we have just finished the first ICT module class. Come here, add a new entry. I don't know, it can be lesson 1, or maybe the title of our lesson. I don't know, you choose. Again, you choose the title. Okay, so here it is, my journal entry. And once I save it, let me go back to my portfolio. pages. Where is the global citizenship? Global citizenship, here it is. There it is, lesson 1, and now I have my entry. Okay, do this every week and your page will be good. One more thing that I cannot forget to tell you is there is no way the teachers will know how to find your page. Okay, so how do you share your page with your teachers? You have to send them the secret URL.